Alright guys, what you've been waiting for is finally here. I don't know if you've been waiting for it, but still, it's here. I'm gonna open up with my knife. It's a case, limited edition. Alright, that's not what I'm trying to show y'all, but alright, here it is. Alright, here's the front. Alright, I don't know, there you go. An engineering marvel. Okay, but it is made in China, so there it is. Okay, so Wayne Beaver, in no way is this directed towards you. No way. Alright, it's not. Oh man, I don't want to break this. Okay. Oh, darn it. Classic shaving soda. Well, I don't use fine, I use sterling. Okay. Alright. This is an unboxing of sorts. Alright. Here it is, the Fine Marvel shaving razor. Alright. It is a 3-piece. And my brother sits on the bench now. Yep, there he is, pale as ever. There it is. And you got the base plate. And this is the cap. It's pretty simple. You just put the DE blade on in here. Then you put like that. Yep. So what you do. But yep, that's what y'all been waiting for if you were with me from the beginning. I'm gonna clean this up when I get home. And I'll have to wait and see what I do next. Alright. That was what the wait was for. Thank you all for watching. Y'all have a good night.